Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one it requires the secret code, and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. I would like to begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK. And let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be useful as if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on About Phone, which should be at the very top. And now let's go to the All Specs. Now we have to go to the status. So let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Modal, and as you can see, the serial number will appear. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.